So today I have an experiment to do with you guys. I think we did this one in school before, but I don't think everyone was here for that one. But before we start, I want to review our letters, okay? I have some letters here. Let me move this, guys, so you can see. So I have some pictures here, and I have letters over here. You guys can't see the letters. So I'm going to bring the letters one at a time, and you guys tell me what picture begins with that letter, okay? So let's start. What letter is this? The letter E, right? This is the letter E. And what photo here begins with the letter E? Do you see something here that begins with E? Elephant, right? Yeah, elephant starts with the letter E. See, it fits together. E for elephant. Good job, guys. Now the next letter is, what letter is this? H, right? H. And what sound does H make? Ha, 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 right? So do you see something here that starts with the letter H? What starts with H? Does apple start with H? No, right? Does ice cream start with H? No, right? Does house start with H? Yes, very good. So H goes to the house. H for house. Good job. Next letter is R, like Rohan, right? Rohan starts with the letter R. And do you see something here that starts with R also? What about this? Does queen start with R? Queen? No, right? Does kite start with R? No, kite doesn't start with R. What starts with R? Rainbow, right? Rainbow starts with R. Very good. Rainbow starts with the letter R. Next is M. What sound does M make? M, right? So do you see something here that starts with M? Moon, right? Moon starts with the letter M. Moon. Good job. What about this letter? What about the letter K? Do you see something that starts with K here? Not apple, right? Not ice cream. Kite, right? Yes, kite starts with the letter K. Very good, guys. Good job. What about this one? What letter is this? A, right? A for apple. Good job. A for apple. Next. What about this? Q, right? And what starts with the letter Q? I know someone's name who starts with Q. Quinn, right? Quinn starts with Q. And what about here? Which photo starts with the letter Q? Queen, right? Queen starts with the letter Q. Good job. And we have 2 pictures left. So let's see. What letter is this? I, right? I. And what sound does I make? Right? And which picture starts with I? Does cat start with I? Or does ice cream start with I? Ice cream, right? Good job. And look at how yummy this ice cream looks. What flavor do you think it is? It's pink. So what flavor? Strawberry, right? You guys love strawberry ice cream. Delicious. And the last one is cat, right? And can you guys tell me what letter cat starts with? What letter does cat start with? That's right. C. Good job. You guys finished them all. Good job. C is for cat. Good. Very good, guys. All right, so now we're gonna start our experiment, okay? So the things that you're going to need are food coloring. You're going to need maybe like 2 or 3 different colors. You're going to need something to stir with. It can be a spoon, a straw, whatever. I just had this, so I'm going to use my popsicle stick. You're going to need vegetable oil, or any kind of oil really works. You can use olive oil or sunflower seed oil, avocado, any oil that you have at home. You're going to need a jar, a smaller jar or a cup, and you're going to need a vase or a bigger jar filled with water, okay? So the first step is to pour some vegetable oil into your cup or glass. Maybe about that much, because you're going to fill the rest of your bigger jar, okay? Then after you put the oil, the next step is to put a few drops of food coloring. So I'm putting 3 drops of pink, 3 drops of blue, and 3 drops of green. 1, 2, 3. I put 4. It's okay. All right, and then you're going to mix, all right? And you'll notice that the food coloring, it doesn't mix into the oil. Do you see that? If we put food coloring in the water, what happens when we put food coloring in the water? Do you guys remember? The whole water turns that color, right? Because food coloring mixes into the water, but it doesn't mix into the oil. Look, the oil is still yellow. It is not the color of the food coloring. Let's see if when we mix it, if it turns that color. Is it turning the color of the food coloring? Or is it still yellow? It's still yellow, right? But you can see, look, all the food coloring dots. You can see it in there, right? But it's not mixing into, and it's not changing the color of the oil. All right, so I think this is enough. So after you mix it, you're now going to pour it into the water. And you're not gonna mix it, okay? You're just gonna let it sit on top, and we're going to see what happens. The food coloring should start leaving the oil and falling into the water. All right, so let's see what happens when we do that. Are you ready? So you're going to mix and pour. See, look, the oil floats back to the top. It goes back all the way up to the top. It does not mix in with the water. It stays. So let's see what happens. they're going to start falling soon. It's starting to fall, guys. Do you see that? Let me put it closer so you guys can see. Look, it's falling. It looks so cool. So look, it's leaving the oil and it's mixing into the water now. Whoa, that's so cool, guys. So the bigger the jar, the more that you will see. Since this jar is not so big, all the colors get mixed together quickly. But if you have a bigger jar, or maybe like a glass bowl or something that's tall, then you can see really all of the colors. But this one was cool. And look, you can see the colors mixing. It's turning dark. All right, so if you guys do try this at home, I want to see your photos, and you guys can also use paint. If you have paint instead of food coloring, you can also use paint instead. So I want to see photos of you guys doing it, okay? If you guys do it at home, I want to see pictures, all right? So bye guys, I'll see you guys next time, okay? Thank you guys for watching.